My name is Alexis Choo, like he mentioned. So creative director of MP. So very nice to meet you. And okay, so let's start. So yeah, you may familiar with like Parasite, BTS, Squid Game, Blackpink. Yeah, so K-pop, K-movie, and K-drama, they're all like global phenomenon. And then Korea is becoming a content powerhouse in global market. And among them, K-pop, the main industry of the K-pop K-culture boom, shows early attempts to use new tech by presenting virtual entertainment contents. So virtual concert, the combining technology with the technology with concert were created to replace offline during the offline tours during the pandemic. So K-pop virtual concert have creative bots which shows volumetric AR or virtual space and live interaction with fans. So SM Entertainment, the most representative entertainment in Korea, they have released a virtual concert brand called Beyond the Live and has attracted more than 10 times the audience compared to offline. The second image that you see is the virtual version of CJ E&M K-Con, attracted 93 times more visitors than offline as well. The third image, BTS virtual concert named Bangbangkon can even achieve a new Guinness World Record for most viewers for music concert live stream. So all the virtual concert focused on how to create virtual content to replace offline experience. And the key to the offline experience is liveness. So it should deliver the feeling that audience are enjoying together at the same time and at the same place in virtual world. So with using this new media like VR, AR, people can enjoy the feeling of being together with more realistic and immersive way experienced through real-time interaction with the artist. An Excel solution was developed to fulfill these demands. So it is the best solution for like expressing liveness in virtual world. So in this regards, many K-pop contents were using these XR technologies in various event shows such as like CJ E&M's Global Music Award Mama. They used XR technology and show their music video like show. And an XR live concert series called Neighbor Now. They showed a lot of XR technology contents like that, and many other broadcast shows. So what is XR production then? So what is XR technology that I mentioned? So why is it a good solution for expressing liveness? The XR production solution is the content production method that synthesizes real people in virtual space real time using LED background and tracking camera, media server, and real-time engine. So on the left, you can see the demonstrating video about XR technologies. Magic about this is that the background is synthesized in real time, following camera movement. And on the right, all this, the data is input to the media server and come out, the final output is look like that. So you can see the expansion of virtual environment compared to background and the LED. So with this characteristic, it creates extended reality. So that shows like a real person in virtual space. So in a sentence, XR contents is a video trick art, we called, so in which background moves according to the camera perspective. So XR concert has 5 features which can create more immersive experience and express liveness. So the first is the extended graphic that I just mentioned. So final output shows extended environment like this. So the original graphic on LED and final output from monitor is different. So audience can see the final output through monitor like this. So it is really like real person in virtual space, feeling like that. And second is dynamic camera work, synchronizing virtual camera and real camera. So on-site camera moves in line with virtual camera in real-time engine. So that various dynamic camera work is possible. Even the actual stage is just small studio, but the camera work can be broadened. Third, the performance and graphic can interact in real time. More natural interaction with graphic is possible because performers can, and all production crew can see the actual graphic on the LED while shooting, so they can interact more naturally. And three-dimensional composition of AR graphic gives the depth of virtual space. So AR can be displayed in front of the performer and surrounding the performer, as you can see. So like this image, it can express more three-dimensional circumstances. And lastly, XR can give more dramatic transition effect when they're changing a scene to another. So with these 5 features, it can have more like high quality of digital contents, but we can do it lively. So that's why it is best solution for creating liveness with more immersive experience. So the biggest difference between XR production and chroma key is that LED XR production doesn't need post-production because it is real-time graphic synthesis, the rendering I mean. So the cost saving are same because the digital set replaced the physical set, so we don't have to build like actual set. So we can save a lot of cost and time. And the key difference between chroma key is we don't need post-production, and we can minimize the post-production work, so we can shorten the production period. And it is easier to act naturally and make natural eye contact while performers are like acting because they can see actual graphic during the shooting. And it is really easy to create realistic environment using graphic on the LED, so with more real lighting and real reflection effects around the performers. And most of all of this can be done in live. So even in the same LED-based production, the content can be divided into 2. The XR, the other one is virtual production. So XR is a filming method that actors stand on floor LED and they're using background world LED. So it looks like the person is in the virtual space and extended environment with AR object in front of performer can express more like three-dimensional circumstances. So, but on the other hand, virtual production use ceiling LED instead of the floor LED. So with this and the LED screen surrounding the set with the performers for real lighting and real reflection effects. So unlike XR, virtual production mainly used for close-up and in-camera shooting rather than extended space. So like this. So final output contents of XR and virtual production is different. The actual visualize the graphic on real-time engines, so it gives more game-like or virtual world impression like the video on the left. with this feature, this XR contents mainly used for broadcast company contents, entertainment, music video, and concert and presentation for brand. And the virtual production on the right shows more realistic environment. As it is a substitute for location shooting, virtual production is mainly used for movie and drama set. So even though both images show same car driving scene and using the same LED-based production technology, the final output looks totally different. So an MP, our company, is more focusing on using this XR solution rather than virtual production. Sorry. So I'm gonna show you the 3 use cases that we've created, and it will explain how XR technologies used in entertainment in 3 different ways. So first one, just
It's backed by popular demand and 나대로 잘라맞아서 안에서도 잘 필요한 멜로 떨어지 못해 이기는 목숨대로 내가 보게 계속 버블버블 하네 아마도 당신이 정말 사랑하는 느끼죠 I'm ready to die and I'll be ready to die 나 좋아 전부 다
sorry, but I just made the long music video into short, so sound was really feel awkward. So this video is one of the XR technology, the XR concert that our company produced in early days of XR. So it is live XR concert of AMG, which is the really famous hip hop company in Korea. And the concert received a great attention from the audience for a new type of content composition and immersive expression, and that hadn't shown in other online streaming concert. And this one,
Give me now, give me now. 지금만을 잘 너야. 생각 없이 내 곁을 savage. 이제 내가 너를 잡아내면
yeah. So this was the aespa was originally made the music video exactly same like this, and we reproduced this with XR. Because it is more like interactive and it can give more liveness. So we did it and do the virtual concert lively. So the fact that since then XR solution began to use to be as one of genre of digital contents, not offline alternative anymore. So it can be like more music video feeling with high quality, but it can do the live. And another example. So this band is really famous, traditional band in Korea. Their name is Linachi, and they're globally well known as well. And their famous song is "Tiger is Falling," and we just applied this XR technology with this song, and we can create like more like new way to introduce Korean tradition to young people. So this concert was highly acclaimed by audience as well. So this XR concert that I showed are all produced by our company, and MP opened the first XR studio in Korea. And what we have done was the history of XR in K-culture, and what we will do in the future is the direction of XR in K-culture as well. So just let me explain our company a bit. So MP is a brand experience company, and we design customer experience both in digital and real world. So we work for many global mega events, including 2018 Pyeongchang Olympic Winter Olympic opening and closing ceremony. And we did many of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked events. And we were founded in 2006, and last year we were listed in Costa. So our parents' company are Wizik Studio and Comtus, one of the most representative content producer and game developer company. And we have our own branch company as well. So we are running XR Stage, and the real pitch is the XR content production company. And Pentabreed is a digital marketing company, but they also developed virtual human, and they're doing NFT project as well for entertainment and brand. And one of our joint venture, Comtverse, is developing open world metaverse platform. Their service will start next year, and many of our entertainment company will put in that metaverse platform. So our XR stage, which is the first and the biggest XR stage in Korea so far, and the reason we first established this XR stage was because, like I said, it was the best solution for implementing liveness to replace the offline experience, so that we can cover our service to brand from the both offline and virtually. So in the early stage, we mainly focus on K-pop related projects such as XR concert, music video, fan meeting, and show programs. But gradually, we expand our service to virtual corporate events. So as you can see, we did a Samsung keynote speech during the 2022 CES. And broadcasting contents like presidential election TV program, like this. And we found that XR technology is really useful for educational purpose, especially for historical things. So if we produce historical site and relic in 3D space and using AR, it is really effective to teach and give a more immersive experience to the student. Recently, we are expanding our business to commerce. So live commerce is the combination of streaming video and e-commerce, but the existing live commerce has a quality problem because due to the time and budget constraints. So we adopt XR technologies to live commerce, which can provide more immersive and real-time interaction with show hosts, so to give more better shopping experience to customer. So we call this solution as an XR meta commerce solution, and our company are participating this AWE because of introduce this solution to you. So currently, MP is making various attempts to upgrade the next version of XR technology and expand its utilization. So we are working on to create using MetaHuman and XR in live, and trying to find a more efficient way to easily create three-dimensional circumstance on metaverse platform that avatar can interact with each other. And also, we are planning to do R&D for working remotely with other XR stage using cloud service. So and in AWE, we would like to have a chance to meet partners for collaborating this kind of R&D together. So go back to the K-culture and technology subject. Other than XR, Korean pop cultures are very open to adopt new tech, because the main target of K-pop is mostly young adult. So they are really open to appreciate this kind of new contents. So they enjoy concert and fan meetings on metaverse platform like Jepato or eFriend, very famous platform in Korea. And also SM Entertainment again, they're really aggressive using new tech. So they are even establishing their own studio called Gwangyang, which means open fields, to integrate all new tech to make a content production with their entertainers. And major entertainment company, broadcasting companies are also actively participating in NFT project, even though their like market is not good, but still in Korea there's like lots of NFT project is going on. And MetaHuman entertainers come out one after another. So MetaHuman in Korea are working as a show host, MC, singer, model, brand ambassador. And like a girl group, they're using virtual avatar, like many new tech with the girl group concept. So aespa, again, they had a high attention from the media when they first introduced their concept to the public, which is coexisting of real and surreal world with using real people and AI avatars. And then Isekai Idol, the second image, the idol group composed of all virtual characters. And they are really getting really acclaimed by audience. They have a huge fan base in Korea. And the third image, they're another girl group. They have 12 members, but these all 12 members are metahumans, even though they look all same. So Korea was able to expand the metaverse and new tech market quickly because of K-pop culture. So thanks to K-pop. So as a result, many Korean tech companies, including our company MP, able to develop new tech faster and test its market instantly. So like K-culture becomes a global phenomenon right now, so I hope and I expect the K-technology will become a global phenomenon too. So thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that informal talk. It was so good. We have time for one or two questions. Anybody have questions? Yes.
Hi, you said you were interested in partnering with other virtual production stages. What kind of things are you interested in doing? Is it like performances in two countries at the same time, or what kind of things would you like to do?
We can do both because it is the graphics based on Unreal Engine, so we can create this circumstance remotely. So the both part of they can do work together using cloud service. And second is, yeah, like you said, the shooting remotely, but the all data we can combine into one media server. Then we can work remotely with the other XR studios. But we have to do R&D first. Yes, we have to test a lot for that because there will be a time difference when we do the live streaming. So yeah, that's why we need R&D for that.
Awesome. Well, Alexis, thank you again.
Okay.